Let us begin the chapter. On your screen, if you see, you can see there are certain questions being given. Like it is given, first chapter, a comprehensive definition of democracy includes, means democracy किसको कहते हैं? Where you get certain rights, political rights, where there is election. Second says our constitution makers believe that fundamental rights were quite central to constitution because that makes the people citizens. Every adult citizen of India has a right to vote and to be contested, to be elected. And fourth chapter हमारा बोलता है if the law is against the constitution, every citizen has a right to approach the court. तो ये जो हमने अभी तक पढ़ा है, whatever we have read till now, this is what we are going to now understand कि ऐसा हमें rights क्यों चाहिए. ये तो rights हमें मिले हैं, but why? तो let us begin with the case study in Guantanamo Bay. As I told you that day, कि there were people who were arrested because of the attack on WTO. About 600 people were secretly picked up by the US forces from all over the world and put in a prison in Guantanamo Bay, that's near Cuba. These are all the one marker. All of them are one marker. And Anna's father, on the left side, there is one letter written. He was one among them. The American government said they were enemies of US and linked to the attack on New York on 11th September. ये आता है आपके पेपर में कि when the letter, मतलब कि when it was, the attack took place. In most cases, government of their countries were not asked or even informed about their imprisonment. It's actually wrong. Like every other, El-Banna's family got to know he was in prison only through the media. Families of prisoners, media, or even UN representatives were not allowed to meet them. The US Army arrested them, interrogated them, decided whether to keep them there or not. There was no trial before any magistrate in the US. Nor these prisoners could approach courts in their own country. Yani ki when they were arrested, they did not follow any law. And at that time, it was the Amnesty International and International Human Rights. आपके पेपर में आता है कि what is Amnesty International? It's a human right commission. It collected the information on the condition of the prisoners in Guantanamo Bay and reported prisoners were being tortured in the way that violated the US law. मतलब यहाँ तक कि law के against वो लोग torture कर रहे थे. They were being denied the treatment that even prisoners in war must get as per international treaties. Many prisoners had tried protesting against these conditions by going on a hunger strike. Prisoners were not released even after they were officially declared not guilty. An independent inquiry by the UN supported these findings. और उस वक्त में जो कॉफी आनंद थे, he was the one UN Secretary General. He said this case should close down. In fact, this prison should be closed down. But the US government refused. This shows how inhuman were they. And because there was no international law, there is no international agreement. Because of that, these people had to face the problems. Now let us come to citizens in Saudi Arabia. The case of Guantanamo Bay looks like an exception, for it involves the government of one country denying rights to citizens of another country. But अब हम बात कर रहे हैं अपनी ही country में. The country is ruled by hereditary king. People have no role in electing or changing their rulers. मतलब because there is no election. It's a monarchy. The king selects the legislature as well as the executive. He appoints the judges and can change the decisions. Citizens cannot form any political parties or organizations and media cannot report. आपने कभी नहीं सुना होगा. If you have ever heard anything, कोई अच्छी बात, कुछ ऐसा एक आध बात होती है. Otherwise, वहां क्या हो रहा है, that will not be told to you. There is no freedom of religion. Every citizen is required to be Muslim. Non-Muslim religion can follow their religion private but not in public. मतलब वहां का जो ऑफिशियल रिलीजन है वो है आपका इस्लाम. सो बीइंग एन इस्लामिक स्टेट, they do not allow open Hindu practices or any other religion. They can practice, ऐसा नहीं वहां नहीं रहते हैं या वहां जाने के बाद they can practice, but they are not allowed to carry any kind of function, ceremony, anything in open. Women are subjected to many public restrictions. A testimony means evidence of one man is considered equal of two women. But women have half the right what a man has. And this is not for Saudi Arabia. There are many countries where such discrepancies or discrimination exist. आपके पेपर के अंदर एथनिक मैसाकर से पेपर में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. Kosovo is a province in Yugoslavia. Now it's not there. And the population was Albania, जो वहां के ओरिजिनल थे. But in the entire country, Serbs were in majority. A narrow-minded Serb nationalist, Milosevic, जिसको हम Milosevic बोलते हैं, उसने इलेक्शन जीता. And the government was hostile to Kosovo Albanians. He wanted the Serbs to dominate. Many Serb leaders thought the ethnic minorities like Albanians should either leave or accept the dominance. मतलब उनके लिए there should be no. और ये एक स्टोरी है. 74-year-old Batisha was sitting in her kitchen with a 77-year-old husband, staying warm by the stove. They had heard explosion, लेकिन उन्हें नहीं पता था कि हुआ क्या. The Serbians had entered, और उसके बाद around 5 to 6 soldiers उनके घर के अंदर आए और उनके बच्चे कहाँ हैं. Then they shot Izzet thrice, और उसका हस्बैंड वहीं पे मर रहा था. उसकी वेडिंग रिंग ले ली एंड उन्होंने कहा that go out. I was not even outside the gate when they burned the house. She was standing on the street in the rain with no house, no husband, no possession, but only the clothes she was wearing. This news report was typical of what happened to thousands of Albanians in that period. Do you remember the massacre that was carried out by the armies of their own country working under the direction of a leader जो आया इलेक्शन के थ्रू ही था. Yet उसने क्या किया? उसने अल्बेनियंस को वहां से भगाने की कोशिश की. This was one of the worst instances of killing based on ethnic prejudice. Finally, several countries intervened and Milosevic lost power and was tried by the ICJ, International Court for Crime Against Humanity. तो सोचो कि इस तरीके से इफ अ पर्सन, ये 1 मार्क में आता है, मिलोशेविक वाला क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क में 100% आता है कि कौन था वहां का. एंड एक बार आया है राइट अ शॉर्ट नोट वाला, दैट इज. तो यू कैन इमेजिन कि ये जो 3 हमने एग्जाम्पल्स पढ़े, ग्वांतनामो वाला, सऊदी वाला. सऊदी में तो फिर भी देयर आर चेंजेस because earlier the women were not allowed to openly move, or they could not openly have the driving license or participate in the elections, but now the changes are there. लेकिन यूगोस्लाविया तो अब है ही नहीं. now it's split into 6 countries. but imagine such atrocities. अभी अगर आप लोग देख रहे हो हमस, लेबनान, इन जगहों पर कितनी atrocities है. And some of these are carried by the own people, not by outsiders. और ग्वांतनामो वाला तो दैट वाज समथिंग, एक इनफैक्ट इट वाज an international what we call as shame to everyone. उसके बाद उन्होंने अपने रूल्स काफी स्ट्रिक्ट किए थे। उस वाले में से आपका एमनेस्टी इंटरनेशनल, किस दिन वो वर्ल्ड टावर में आपका अटैक हुआ था, वो बे का नाम एंड व्हाट वर द एट्रोसिटीज, ये पेपर में आता है, राइट? तो इन सबको देखकर हमें क्या पता लगा, व्हाट डिड वी कम टू नो, दैट इफ वी डोंट हैव एनी राइट्स, अगर हमारे को गवर्नमेंट प्रोटेक्ट नहीं करता है, if the government is not protecting us, then what will happen? We may face such atrocities, we may face such problems. तो why we need rights is कि ऐसी एक सिचुएशन नहीं आनी चाहिए. So think of the examples that we have already done. So what would you have wished? What are rights? That means there should be something, कुछ हमारे लिए होना चाहिए. There should be some system जहां मिनिमम गारंटी होना चाहिए कि भाई आप अपनी बात को रखो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई टेल यू, अभी एक recently I'll tell you one example which is quite related. There was one news by, I think, one of the very famous cricketer, Harbhajan, something like that. I think it is like that. His wife was undergoing the treatment of cancer. Now, what happened is, if you had read the news, he claimed that his wife was his wife recovered because she had taken turmeric as well as some herbal neem treatment, which was not liked by the doctors. अब जो डॉक्टर्स आपको कीमोथेरेपी दे रहा था, जो डॉक्टर्स ने आपकी इतनी की थी, यू सेड दैट नीम ने काम किया, which is not, there is no proven theory for that. Neem is very good, we use it in the medicines and everything, but it is not proven. Now the doctors were agitated. उनको गुस्सा आया कि जो डॉक्टर्स की ट्रीटमेंट थी उनको तो उसने कहा नहीं, उसने दोबारा अपॉलॉजी लेटर लिखा, उसने कहा along with the doctors, but the doctors said it is wrong. One of the person approached the high court and he challenged this news. उन्होंने कहा कि गलत है. आज हाई कोर्ट ने उसके लिए क्या बोला कि ठीक है, उसने जो बोला वो सही है या गलत है, बट उसको अपनी बात बताने का पूरा हक है. ही हैज द राइट टू वॉइस हिज ओपिनियन. तो ये एक कोर्ट था ना जिसके पास हम जा सकते थे, जिससे हम पूछ सकते थे, जो हमें गलत लगा उस चीज को हम गलत बोल सकते थे. और अगर ऐसा नहीं होगा तो एनी वन विल से, आजकल क्या होता है मीडिया के अंदर, देर आर वेरी लेस restrictions. So many times a wrong news is being printed, which is wrong. Example, I always, आपकी जो मतलब कि I am putting the recording on the YouTube. So while I was putting the recording, so I saw one news in which it was written that one of the very famous heroine who comes on the TV is dead because of cancer, yet she is alive. Such news cannot be published. कोई जिंदा है और आप उसे मार डाल रहे हो, उसके उसमें. तो देयर वर पीपल हु रिपोर्टेड. तो जब आप गलत करोगे तो कोई तो आवाज उठाने वाला होगा, कोई तो आपको प्रोटेक्ट करने वाला होगा. और अगर ऐसा नहीं होगा तो देयर माइट बी रॉन्ग न्यूज, रॉन्ग इंफॉर्मेशन, wrong treatment, and that is why we need rights. Now, the what is the definition of rights? Rights are claims of a person over other fellow beings, over the society, government. All of us want to live happy without any fear or without being subjected to degraded treatment. For this, we expect others to behave in such a manner that doesn't harm us or hurt us. Equally, our actions should not also hurt or harm or hurt us, others. So a right is possible when you make a claim that is equally possible for others. आपके साथ गलत हुआ, आप उनके साथ हुआ वो. You cannot have a right for that harms or hurt others. You cannot have a right to play a game that it breaks your window of the neighbor. That's not called right. That's atrocity. The Serbs in Yugoslavia could not have claimed the whole country. The claims we make should be reasonable. They should be such that they can be made available to others in an equal measure. So, right comes with obligation to respect other rights. अगर मेरे को शोर मचाने का right है, तो that शोर इतना ही होना चाहिए कि वो सिर्फ मुझे पसंद हो. It should not be that it is disturbing others. ऐसे कई केसेस हैं हम डे टू डे में. देयर आर सो मेनी केसेस which are taken by the law. Just because we claim something, it doesn't become our right. It has to be recognized by the society we live in. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब मैंने बोल दिया कि मेरा राइट है. No, it should be recognized by the society. दूसरा भी उसको उतना ही समझे. There was one very infamous incident which happened about the rights only. The people said they have the right to profess on a loud speaker. And there was a protest कि you cannot profess anything which is hurting others. Every society makes certain rules to regulate our conduct. They tell us what is right, what is wrong. So that means what is recognized by the society as rightful becomes right. यानी कि right सिर्फ claim नहीं है. It should be lawful and it should also be accepted by the society. That is why the notion of rights changed from time to time. 200 years before, anyone who said women should have the right to vote would have found it strange. Today, not granting is strange. क्योंकि उन दिनों में women का बाहर आना ही बड़ी बात थी. 200 तो छोड़ दो आप. 1947 में अब आप ये बातें बोलते हैं ना तो लोगों को लगता है आप पागल हो. आज से 50 साल पहले चीजें कुछ और थी, आज कुछ और है. उस वक्त देयर वॉज ऑलवेज, मतलब हर चीज में देयर यूज टू बी अ व्हाट यू कॉल एज restriction. When the socially recognized claims are written into law, they acquire legal force. Otherwise, they remain natural or moral right. The prisoners in Guantanamo had a moral claim not to be tortured, क्योंकि there was no written claim, कोई law नहीं था. But when the law recognizes some claims, they become enforceable. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पर law बना हुआ है, वो forced है. Everyone has to follow it. Enforceable means everyone has to follow it. We can then demand their application. When fellow citizens or government do not respect, we call it violation or infringement of our right. In such circumstances, citizens can approach courts to protect their rights. If we want to call any claim, it has three qualities. यानी कि rights are reasonable claims of person recognized by society and sanctioned by law. One marker, identify which is wrong, या assertion and reason. हर तरीके से ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. A very important. तो जैसे कई बार लोग कहते हैं ये हमारा हक है, हाँ आपका हक है। जैसे इन इंडिया वी हैव वन राइट विच इज राइट टू प्रोटेस्ट। यू कैन डेफिनेटली रेज योर वॉइस अगेंस्ट एनीथिंग विच इज रॉन्ग। लेकिन उन दिनों में लोग क्या करते हैं, तोड़ फोड़ करते, दे वायलेट द लॉ। दैट्स नॉट रॉन्ग, दैट्स नॉट कॉल्ड राइट्स। आप अपनी बात रखिए, आप दूसरों को परेशान क्यों करते हो? सो नाउ व्हाई डू वी नीड राइट्स? 3 मार्कर क्वेश्चन। क्यों चाहिए हमें? अभी हमने 3 केसेस पढ़े और हमने क्या पढ़ा कि अगर ये राइट्स नहीं होंगे तो हमारे साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है। If we don't have these rights, then anything can happen to us anytime. As I told you that there was a period in India also when we had the emergency period. तो उस वक्त में जो भी हुआ, nobody could take the responsibility. Rights are necessary for the very sustenance of a democracy. In a democracy, every citizen has a right to vote and the right to be elected to government. This is a political right basically. इनको हम पॉलिटिकल राइट्स के अंदर लेकर आते हैं। वी कॉल, मतलब हम अपने पॉलिटिकल साइंस के अंदर हम इनको पॉलिटिकल राइट्स बोलते हैं। फॉर डेमोक्रेटिक इलेक्शंस टू टेक प्लेस, it is necessary citizens should have the right to express their opinion, form political parties, take part in political activities, यानी कि freedom. Rights also perform very special role in a democracy. Rights protect the minorities from oppression of a majority. 1947-50 से पहले, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के इम्पोज होने से पहले, हमारे यहाँ पर जो माइनॉरिटीज थे, दलित्स थे, they were subjected to humiliation, they were subjected to oppression, suppression, atrocities. मतलब आप उनकी कहानियां सुनोगे तो you will definitely cry. They were treated worse than animals. They were not supposed to enter into the temples. They were not allowed to draw well from the water, even if they were dying of water, of thirst. पानी प्यास से भी मर जाएंगे तो भी वो नहीं करते। They were not allowed to enter into the main areas in the villages. सोचो, nobody would treat them. और उस वक्त में उनके पास तो कोई राइट नहीं था। They ensure that majority cannot do whatever it likes. Rights are guarantees which can be used when things go wrong. Things may go wrong when some citizens may wish to take away rights of others. जो मैंने अभी आपको जो एक एग्जाम्पल बताया, these are the real life examples. The government should protect the citizens' right in such a situation. जैसे अभी हमने बताया कि हमारे यहाँ पर माइनॉरिटीज के लिए they have special rights. That is why some rights need to be placed higher than the government so that the government cannot violate them. In most democracies, the basic rights are written down in the constitution. From this point, that is, why do we need rights? You will be having 3. अब जो हमारे rights हैं, ये आपके जो है, they will be in the 5 marker or 3 marker. Write a short note on right to equality, right to, जो भी आपके जितने भी अभी आप rights पढ़ोगे, all of them will be there on right to write a short note. In India, like most other democracies, the rights are mentioned in the constitution. Some rights which are fundamental are given special status and they are called fundamental right. ये पिछली बार पेपर में किसी स्कूल के अंदर आया था. Means some which are fundamental, जो हमारे लिए हमारी लाइफ के लिए बिल्कुल जरूरत है, they are the fundamental. It talks about the citizens equality, liberty, justice, और ये जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं, they are put this into a promise. They are an important basic feature of constitution. As that day I told you, there are fundamental rights, constitutional rights, there are special rights, consumer rights. As you know, constitution provides 6 fundamental matlab they are the basic rules. They are to each and every person who is born in India as a legal citizen. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से सबसे पहला हमारा आता है, दैट इज हमारा इक्वालिटी. एज आई सेड, ये पेपर में आया है तो मैं बता रही हूं. इन इंडिया देयर वर टाइम्स व्हेन पीपल वर नॉट ट्रीटेड इक्वली. ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी कुछ चेंज हो गया है, बट यस, नाउ पीपल हैव दिस फियर कि अगर कोर्ट तक बात जाएगी तो उनके ऊपर बात आ सकती है. बट पहले क्या था, दीज राइट्स वर नॉट एट ऑल देयर. Like I said, the people were not allowed to enter into the public places, temples, or the wells. The constitution says government shall not deny to any person in India equality before the law or equal protection. It means law applies in the same manner as it is for all, regardless of a person's stature. For example, if a person is a celebrity or a person is a normal person, both have the same status in, मतलब कानून के सामने बराबर है. हम उसको हेर फेर करते हैं वो अलग है. कानून नहीं कहता है कि आप हेर फेर करो. दिस इज कॉल्ड रूल ऑफ लॉ. एंड दिस आई थिंक इट केम इन द DAV लास्ट ईयर. रूल ऑफ लॉ इज द फाउंडेशन ऑफ एनी डेमोक्रेसी. मीन्स लॉ से ऊपर कोई भी इंसान कानून से बड़ा नहीं है. There will be no distinction between a political leader, government official, or ordinary citizen. Every citizen from prime minister, हमारे यहाँ पर ऐसे rules रहे हैं, हमारे यहाँ पर ऐसे मतलब कि there have been certain incidents where even the prime minister of the country has been under law, under scrutiny, in the jail. बहुत famous personalities have gone through this. Every citizen from prime minister to a small farmer in a remote is subjected with the same law. No person can legally claim any special treatment or privilege just because he or she happens to be some important person. For example, a few years ago, the former prime minister faced a court case in charges of cheating. The court finally declared he was not guilty, but as long as the case continued, he had to go to the case, give evidence, file papers, and just like any other citizens. This happened in our country. और ये एक नहीं है, ऐसे कई cases हैं जहां पर they even had to, some of the chief minister even had to serve jail. The basic position is further clarified by the constitution by spelling out some implication of right to equality. मतलब अब right to equality किसको बोलते हैं? The government shall not discriminate anyone on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Every citizen shall be having the access to public places like shop, restaurants, hotel, and cinema halls. Similarly, there should be no restriction in use of well, tank, bathing guard, playgrounds, or places of public resorts maintained by government or for the use of children. This might appear very obvious. आपको लगेगा इसमें क्या है, इसको राइट टू इक्वालिटी के अंदर क्यों लेकर आए हैं? But it was necessary to incorporate these rights in the constitution where the traditional caste system did not allow people from some communities to access all the public places. ऐसा हमारे यहाँ पर हो चुका है. The same principle applies to public jobs also. Earlier, there were some areas where all the people were not allowed to enter. अभी भी ऐसा होता है, कई लोग कहते हैं, but at least लीगल प्रोटेक्शन आपके पास है. All citizens have equality of opportunity in matters relating to employment, appointment to any position in the government. हमारे यहाँ पर there is no ऐसा कोई नहीं है जहां पर at the higher post it should belong to one particular community. We had all sorts of all religion, all communities at the prime minister and president's level. मतलब the person belonged to any language, any religion or caste, it never mattered. Mattered was his or her qualifications. We had Dr. Abdul Kalam, we had Gyani Zail Singh, we had Pratibha Patil, we have Murmuru, we have everyone. तो हमारे यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं है कि the prime minister or the president belong to one particular religion or caste or community. ऐसा कभी नहीं है. No citizen shall be discriminated against or made ineligible for employment on the grounds. You have read in Government of India has provided reservations in for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and OBC. ऐसा क्यों किया? Why there are certain preferences to women, poor or physically handicapped? क्योंकि आप सोचोगे कि भाई अगर हम राइट टू इक्वालिटी कह रहे हैं तो इक्वल का मतलब तो ये हुआ ना कि इफ देर आर 10 स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने इसके ऊपर काफी डिबेट रहता है. इफ देर आर 10 स्टूडेंट्स, राइट, ऑल द 10 शुड बी इक्वली ट्रीटेड, राइट. लेकिन उनमें से दो ऐसे हैं जो चल नहीं सकते, तो क्या हम सबके लिए एक ही जैसा करेंगे? कर सकते हैं? इज इट मॉरली राइट? तो उनके लिए वी हैव टू गिव सर्टेन प्रोविजंस, और इसीलिए ये रिजर्वेशंस जो है वो यहां पर आती हैं. रिजर्वेशन क्यों आई थी? देखा जाए तो इफ अ पर्सन इज बिलोंगिंग टू ओबीसी, शेड्यूल कास्ट और शेड्यूल ट्राइब, इक्वली करना चाहिए. एवरीबडी शुड हैव इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी. लेकिन पहले उन्हें अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिली थी, दे रिमेन बैकवर्ड. तो अब उनको कुछ ना कुछ तो उनके पोजीशन को थोड़ा सा हेल्दी बनाना पड़ेगा ना. लाइक हमारे घर में अगर कोई बीमार होता है तो व्हाट डू वी डू? जो इंसान बीमार है उसकी एक्स्ट्रा केयर होती है, certain times in food, certain times in other area. That is what reservation does. It's an extra care to them just because उनके पोजीशन को थोड़ा ऊपर करना. Are these reservations against right to equality? They are not. For equality does not mean giving everyone the same treatment no matter what they need. सोचो कि आप एक लाइन में खड़े हो, आपके पैर में चोट लगी है, आपके पैर में पट्टी बंधी हुई है, और आपको सब कहते नहीं भाई आपको तो बराबर खड़ा होना है. आपको कितना बुरा लगेगा? आप कहोगे मेरे चोट लगी, मेरे दर्द है, मुझे थोड़ा आगे जाने दो. So that doesn't mean that there was an unequal treatment, but that was a moral treatment. पेपर में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं बच्चे. I'll be now taking up this question also. Sometimes it is very necessary to give special treatment to someone in order to ensure equal opportunity. This is what reservation does. The Constitution says the reservation of this kind are not violation of right to equality. That is only a special treatment for them so that वो जो पहले problems आई थी उनको थोड़ा कम करें. Like women were subjected never to participate in any outside matters. Women were not allowed to move out of the homes. तो अब स्पेशल रिजर्वेशन से क्या होता है, उन एरियाज में विमेन को पार्टिसिपेशन का चांस मिल जाता है. तो उनके उस अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए स्पेशल प्रिविलेजेस बनाए हैं. द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नॉन डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एक्सटेंड्स टू सोशल वेलफेयर लाइफ ऑल्सो. The Constitution mentions one extreme form of social discrimination, the practice of untouchability, and clearly directs the government to put an end, as I told you. The practice of untouchability has been forbidden in many forms. मतलब forbidden मतलब मनाही है. Untouchability does not mean refusal to touching people belonging to certain caste. It refers to any belief or social practice which look down upon the people on account of their birth with certain caste labels. होता है. Untouchables are not allowed to enter into certain areas. Such practices denies them interaction with other people or access to public place as equal citizens. इसके ऊपर कई ऐसे डिबेट्स चल रहे हैं अनटचेबिलिटी के ऊपर. सो द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेड अनटचेबिलिटी अ पनिशेबल ऑफेंस. अगर कानून का हाथ लोगे तो देन इट बिकम्स अ पनिशेबल ऑफेंस. So now you can see there are two activities. These can be a question in your exam. Go to the playground of the school or any stadium and watch a 400-meter race on any track. Why are the competitors in the outer lane placed ahead of those in the inner? What would happen if all competitors start from the same? ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? Apply this to a competition for jobs. Observe any public building. Is there any ramp for physically handicapped? ये अब जो है कानूनन जरूरी है. Even in the schools, it is now very important that you are having the access to people जिनको जो मतलब कि नहीं चल पाते हैं. In the cinema halls, in the malls, in airports, even in the airports, people who are having certain illness, they are provided with wheelchair, and that wheelchair will take you from the gate to the aircraft. I don't know how many of you have used, but it is there. This is how we are trying to make it. ये आपके जो है, this is one of the case study, many forms of untouchability. In 1999, P. Sainath wrote a series of news reports describing untouchability and caste discrimination that is still practiced. वो अभी भी है, ऐसा नहीं है. He traveled to various parts of country and found tea stalls kept two kinds of cup, one for Dalits and one for others. Dalits are normally given in the plastic or the thermocol one, and जो बाकी लोग होते हैं उनको normally दिया जाता है. Barbers refused to serve Dalit clients. Dalit students were made to sit separately in the classroom or drink water from separate pitcher. Very common practice in many states till date. बहुत आता है न्यूज में. Dalit grooms were not allowed to ride a horse in the wedding procession. उन्हें मना किया जाता. They were not allowed to use common hand pump, or if they did, hand pump was washed to purify. There are so many areas जहां पर ऐसा कुछ होता है तो पूरी जगह को किया जाता है. Even till date, people don't like that. Next is right to freedom. Now freedom का मतलब क्या है? Freedom means no restrictions. Practically, nobody should interfere into your matter, which has been right now, आज की डेट पर सबसे ज्यादा, if I say, this is one of the worst, what we say, हमने इसको जो है गलत तरीके से यूज कर रहे हैं. Every person says we have the freedom, but freedom does not mean you need to, restrictions होने जरूरी होते हैं. It is not that we should not interfere into anybody's affair. अगर वो affair is in मतलब कि welfare of others, we need to. We want to live in our society, but we want to be free. We want to do things the way we want to do them. Others should not dictate us. And इसीलिए हम लोग freedom of जो right to freedom है, इसको हम cluster of freedom भी बोलते हैं. We call it as cluster of freedom because it gives us many rights. Freedom of speech and expression. आप अपनी बात express कर सकते हो through written form, through oral form, by filing an PIL. आप PIL करो, आप कोर्ट को अप्रोच करो, आप express करो through cartoons. Assembly in a peaceful manner, form associations and unions to express your demands, move freely throughout the country, reside in any part of the country, practice any profession or any occupation, trade or business. That means you cannot exercise your freedom in such a manner that it violates others' rights. योर फ्रीडम शुड नॉट कॉज पब्लिक न्यूजेंस और डिसऑर्डर। जैसे मैंने बताया कि लोग जो है प्रोटेस्ट के नाम पर तोड़फोड़ करते हैं, दैट्स नॉट फ्रीडम। तो फिर उसके बाद उनको डिटेंशन किया जाएगा, उनको डिटेन किया जाएगा। फिर वो कहते हैं हमें डिटेन क्यों किया, हमने तो अपनी बात रखी थी। बात रखने का तरीका होता है। यू आर फ्री टू डू एवरीथिंग विच इंजर्स नो वन। फ्रीडम इज नॉट अनलिमिटेड लाइसेंस टू डू वॉट यू वॉन्ट। So the government can impose certain reasonable restrictions on our freedom। कई जगहों पर आपके साथ होता है, तो वो इसी वजह से होता है क्योंकि people take it for granted। आपका assertion and reason के अंदर आ सकता है। गवर्नमेंट क्यों रेस्ट्रिक्शन डालती है? क्योंकि लोग उसका फायदा उठाते। In the name of expression, they express anything, they speak anything। Freedom of speech and expression, what is that? Means अगर हम फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन 10th में आप लोग पढ़ोगे प्रिंट कल्चर, यू विल बी रीडिंग इन योर 10th स्टैंडर्ड व्हेन यू ऑल गो देयर एंड देन यू। तो क्या होता था, मेनी ऑफ द कंट्रीज डिड नॉट अलाउ देयर सिटीजन्स टू एक्सप्रेस देयर व्यूज इन एनी मैनर। Our ideas and personality develop only when we are able to freely communicate। You may think differently from others। अभी जो मैंने आपको एक एग्जाम्पल आज की डेट का बताया था, मैं उसने अपनी बात रखी है। Even if 100 people think in one way, you should have the freedom to think differently and express your views। You may disagree with a policy of government or activities of an association। You are free to criticize the government or the association in your conversation with your parents, friends, relatives। You can publicize them through a pamphlet, magazine, or newspaper, or through poetry, painting, song। You cannot use this freedom to instigate violence। You cannot use it to incite people to rebel against government। आप किसी को उकसा नहीं सकते हो। Neither can you use it to defame others by saying false and mean things that cause damage to a person's reputation। जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि there was one news, I think it is still there, you cannot defame anyone। आप अपनी बात को अच्छा बताओ, and it happens। आप अपनी बात को बोलो, but don't talk nuisance about anyone else। ये जो राइट साइड में बना है द फिगर, द कार्टून, इट इज हमारी मांगे पूरी करो, दिस इज राइट टू प्रोटेस्ट। दिस इज प्रोटेस्ट एंड Indian government, Indian constitution says protest in a polite manner। Citizens have the freedom to hold meetings, procession, rallies and demonstrations। They can discuss the problem, mobilize public support, seek vote। जैसे हमारे यहाँ मूवमेंट्स होती हैं, नर्मदा बचाओ मूवमेंट, आप सबको अपने साथ जोड़ सकते हो। इंटरनेट पर देर आर सो मेनी यू नो सर्वे चलते रहते हैं, बट इट शुड बी पीसफुल। दे शुड नॉट लीड टू पब्लिक डिसऑर्डर और ब्रीच ऑफ पीस। ब्रीच मतलब पीस को तोड़ना। Those who participate should not carry weapons। Citizens also can form association। Like आप ऑफिस में काम करते हो, आप एसोसिएशन रखो। आपको अपने मालिक से कुछ काम है, आप लोग मिलकर बात करो, एक स्वर में बात करो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वर्कर्स इन अ फैक्ट्री कैन फॉर्म अ वर्कर्स यूनियन टू प्रमोट देयर इंटरेस्ट। सम पीपल इन द टाउन में कम टुगेदर। जैसे आपके ट्रेड यूनियंस होते हैं, जितने भी आपके ट्रेडर्स होते हैं वो लोग करते हैं, सारे के सारे बिजनेसमैन। दे, अगर गवर्नमेंट उनके खिलाफ कोई आवाज, ऑटो ऑटो रिक्शा ड्राइवर्स। एज सिटीजन, पहला हमारा क्या था, एक्सप्रेशन। सेकेंड था फॉर्मिंग एसोसिएशन। थर्ड इज यू कैन ट्रैवल टू एनी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री। वी आर फ्री टू रिसाइड, सेटल इन एनी पार्ट। मीन्स इन सम ऑफ द कंट्रीज देर आर सर्टन restrictions, because in some countries we have double citizenship, but हमारे यहाँ पर we have one citizen। whether you are living in Ludhiana or you are living in Assam, you are Indian। Say a person in Assam wants to start a business in Hyderabad, he may not have any connection, he may not even ever seen, but वो जा सकता है. This right allows lakhs of people to migrate from villages to towns and from poorer region to big cities. That is how Delhi was formed. Mumbai is there. The same freedom extends to choice of occupation. मतलब आप ये नहीं बोल सकते हो कि ये ऑक्यूपेशन आप नहीं कर सकते. विमेन कैन नॉट बी टोल्ड सम काइंड ऑफ ऑक्यूपेशन आर नॉट फॉर देम. इसके ऊपर देयर इज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल इनफैक्ट incident also. There are some incidents when women were told that they cannot become a pilot or they cannot come into the workshop जहां पर आपकी मशीनें रखी होती हैं, या they are not supposed to join the defense services, but under this right it was allowed. And people from deprived caste cannot be kept to their traditional occupations. Like कई लोग कहते हैं नाई जो है वो they belong to certain caste. आजकल ऐसा कुछ मतलब you have the freedom. The constitution says next, no person can be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. Means no person can be killed unless the court has ordered a death sentence. It also means that a government or police officer cannot arrest or detain any citizen without proper legal justification. उस दिन मैंने वो आपको मजाक में एग्जाम्पल बताया था. थर्ड ग्रेड फोर्थ ग्रेड आर नॉट अलाउड. इट इज देयर स्पेशल सर्कमस्टांसेस होता है. एनकाउंटर एक अलग मतलब की प्रोसीजर होता है. Even if a person is running, you have to shoot only at the leg. ये आपका 3 मार्क का अलग क्वेश्चन. इनफैक्ट दिस क्वेश्चन वाज देयर इन योर 8th स्टैंडर्ड ऑल्सो. आई रिमेंबर दिस. अ पर्सन हु इज अरेस्टेड, मतलब ये है एक अरेस्टेड पर्सन के क्या क्या राइट्स हैं जो हमने एमनेस्टी में देखा था उनके पास नहीं था. A person who is arrested and detained will have to be informed of the reasons कि भाई उसे क्यों अरेस्ट किया है, क्यों डिटेन किया है. A person who is arrested and detained shall be produced before the nearest magistrate within 24 hours. And if it is a Saturday or Sunday, आपको magistrate के घर जाकर you have to take the permission. Such a person has the right to consult a lawyer or engage a lawyer for his defense. आप उसको ये नहीं बोल सकते हो कि आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते. यू कैन नॉट डिनाई दैट. और इसके ऊपर देर आर सो मेनी मूवीज विच हैव बीन मेड. अ वेरी फेमस मूवी इज गंगा जल, जिसके अंदर देर वॉज अ टाइम मतलब कि देर वर instances when these rights were not given to them. So let us recall the cases of Guantanamo Bay and Kosovo. The victims in both these cases faced a threat to the most basic of liberty, the protection of individual life and personal liberty. भाई जब उनके ऊपर अत्याचार हो रहा था, there was no one. That is because उनके गवर्नमेंट ने वो चीज नहीं दी थी. So this is how right to freedom जो है वो हमें अलग अलग, that is right to personal liberty or life, right to freedom to travel in any part of the country or practice any occupation, right to form associations, hold meetings or rallies, and right to speech and freedom. So that is why right to freedom is also called as cluster of rights. इसको हम जो है क्लस्टर ऑफ राइट्स भी बोलते हैं, बिकॉज इस एक राइट के अंदर हमारे पास इतने सारे राइट्स हैं. राइट इसके अंदर हमारे पास जो है वी आर हैविंग ऑल दीज राइट्स. इफ यू सी द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया बैंड सलमान रश्दी, एक मतलब बहुत फेमस ऑथर है, फॉर द बुक ऑन द ग्राउंड इट वॉज डिसरेस्पेक्टफुल टू प्रॉफेट मोहम्मद. तो वैसे तो देखा जाए तो इट वॉज फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, लेकिन फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन में आप गलत चीज नहीं दिखा सकते. Every film has to be approved. इसके ऊपर तो आप लोगों को पता है, there are so many restrictions. I think when Padmavat was मतलब कि made, the name was Rani Padmavati. उसको पद्मावत चेंज ही इसलिए किया गया था because many of the people belonging to that community, उनको लगा था कि the things which were shown in that movie was not right. ऐसे कई ऐसे एरियाज हुए हैं जब किसी पर्टिकुलर कम्युनिटी को हर्ट हुआ तो दे हैव आस्क्ड टू रिमूव दैट पर्टिकुलर. अभी रिसेंटली देयर वाज वन मूवी, उसमें से वो डायलॉग हटाने के लिए बोला गया था. The government is considering a proposal that there will be industrial zones or sectors of economy where workers will not be allowed to form union. This will be violation of right to freedom of us making association. City administration has imposed a ban on use of public microphones after 10 p.m. because of, ये बिल्कुल सही है, ये restriction सही है, because बच्चों का एग्जाम होता है, and if the children are studying and if the mics are being played, it really distracts. और ये this is very common. और अगर ऐसा है तो वो कोई बात नहीं, that is not violation of our rights, that's only a restriction. Like I just said कि हमारे यहाँ पर राइट टू फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच को लेकर वी हैव लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ डिबेट्स, डेली होता है. एक इंसान कहता है मेरा पूरा राइट है, मैं तो बोलूंगा. भाई आप बोलो, बट डोंट अब्यूज अदर्स. आप अपनी बात को बिल्कुल सामने रखो, बट डोंट डिफेम अदर्स. So there are incidents when such rights have been violated, but the government, the court has always protected us. So that is right to freedom. So today we have done two rights. One is equality and second one is freedom.